Hi, Year 3. Yesterday we looked at halves, and that fraction line means chopping it into how many pieces, and the number on the bottom, the denominator, means how many pieces it's divided by. So down the bottom is the denominator. They both start with D, down denominator. The number underneath was a 2 because we were looking at halves. But today we're going to be looking at quarters. So the denominator, the number down on the bottom, is a 4 because we're going to be chopping things into 4 pieces. Because of that, we're going to be having a look at our 4 times tables. So you've got the quiz to see how quick you can be and the song. Then you've got a quarter video to watch with some activities on that video to do. And a second one. So they're only shorter ones today. You've got 2 of those. And when you finish that, you've got a slide, a PowerPoint slide with some questions for you to do in there. I've also included in that PowerPoint slide a number line, which shows a whole number being broken into smaller bits. So you can see this frog here. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4, but he's got halfway jumps. So it's half, 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5, 3, 3.5, 4, because we can break numbers into smaller parts. I've also included in this one for you to have a quick look at, because we'll be doing some work with this next week, adding a quarter every time on the number line. So you can see it starts at 0, there's nothing. And if we add a quarter every time, first of all, we have 1 quarter, then 2 quarters or a half, that's the same, because you can see by the picture it's a half, 3 quarters, 1. 1.25, 1 2/4, 1 3/4, 2. So we can break those counting numbers into smaller equal parts. This one's what halves look like, what quarters look like. And because if it was halves, it would be 2 of those quarters. They would be bigger jumps going across there. We're going to be having some more look at that next week. So you've got some activities, some questions to do in here. They're very similar questions to the video. So if you've watched the video, it will really help you do that. Remember, the number on the bottom is the denominator. It tells you how many pieces it's chopped into. And the number up the top, the numerator, tells you how many of those pieces you've got. So more fraction work today, quarters. I think you'll probably fly through this one. Have a great day of learning and enjoy your day tomorrow doing something different. And I'll see you again on Thursday.